Welcome to Muscle Car Garage. Today we're featuring a 1946 Chevy Pickup 3100. It's got a repaint. Obviously it's a two-tone blue. It's got this beautiful iconic grille, which is in phenomenal shape. The chrome on it is really nice. It's got a nice straight chrome front bumper. Coming around, it's got its original 6-cylinder straight six, which runs fantastic. Okay, coming over to the side, the doors open and shut really nice. The doors are nice and solid. The door jambs are nice and solid. It's got a beautiful interior. The front seat has been recovered. Everything else in the truck is original. It's got a nice headrest. The running boards are in really nice shape. Now, Dom, come on this side here. If you look down this side, looking down, it is arrow straight. All the metal is in beautiful condition. There's no bondo, no bubbling. There's everything. Usually it rots right here, and it's really beautiful. There's no bubbling or blistering going on. Now if you come into the bed's been redone, which presents itself nice. Tailgate is nice and solid. This is a really nice driver quality 1946 pickup. No leaks. Truck runs really good, shifts really good, no issues. If you're looking for a nice driver quality, really nice 1946 Chevy Pickup 3100, call us at 973-758-8944. Check out our website at www.musclegarage.com and have a good day.